Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is X5 2011. I read the ISN number from it from this one, and I wrote it into the donor car. But again, hold on. But one of my consultant, he said that Muhammad, is it better? Hussam, thank you, Hussam, from Egypt. He recommended me to clone it. So I use these tools. I read the information here as a backup. You see here, this is a backup original. I will save it, and I will show you how to connect it. The connection is the same. To read the ISN or the backup is the same thing. So I already back up this one here. So what I'm gonna do is, if you wanna, for example, read the EC information or ISN, in order, if you wanna write a key or anything, you're gonna take it like this, and you're reading. You see, this is the ISN number. You can copy it and write it back into the computer, but you have to use, I believe, the other, so not hex pros, the auto hex. So now I'm gonna close this one here, and this here is working for all these cars. You see here, all this car, 335i, 330, like a lot of computer that it could be the same thing. Now I'm gonna disconnect this software here, and I will put, okay, just be sure that you have the right information. This one I already read the information. I'm gonna take it out, put it here, and I will go get the other computer, read the backup. I'm gonna write down my software here. So now we're gonna connect it as usual. This one here, they made it a little bit better, a little easy. So we're gonna start by power or ground. How you get the wiring, just come here. Okay, it will give you the wiring like before here. So I gotta look for my ground, put this one near. Hope it's gonna reach. If it's not, put it this way. Okay, I'm gonna take my ground here, and I will put it number 4. Okay, this one here. Now I'm gonna come here. Here is 1, 2, 3, the third power. So you have 4 powers with a different connector. I'm gonna take this, for example, and I will come here, 1, 2, the third one. I'm holding the phone with my hand. Okay, now we're gonna get, the next one is orange. It's a can high, can low, next to it. Okay, now the yellow one next to it. Ground here, 1 power. Now I have 1 power left, and the power you have to jump 1 extra. This you're not gonna put it into this one. Now I have power, can high, can low, and that's good. So now we're gonna come here. We count from the left, 1, 2, 3. I don't know, maybe this is a can high. We have the wire here, the green wire. You're gonna count the 4 line. You see here, 1, 1, 3, 2. After the 2 lines. So I'm gonna go here, 1, 2. So hope you can see, 1, 2, 3, number 4. It's very funny. Number 4, right? Yeah. Now I have the other one. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna count the last one here. 1, Is it clear for you? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I connect everything. Power must be there. Now I will go back to my hexaproc. Backup. I want to read the ECU information, but it's okay. Okay. You're going to get the same software, the same IN number that I wrote it. You're going to be the same. Let me show you now. It's also to be sure that you connect everything good. You see here it's communicating. You see initialize ECU. Good. Okay. This is the same SKU number. Now I'm going to close this. Now we are good. We're communicating good. So what do you want to do? Back up this one also. I want to save it somewhere. I gotta back it up. I write it as a junkyard, and then I will restore it. Restoration, you're gonna go back to restore, and just you put the software you want it. You write it down, VIN number, everything. You will not have any problem anymore. I believe you don't even need to do anything to the transmission, because sometimes the information that is in the cars or in the engine computer could be a little bit different. So now we are reading the information just to save it. Stay with us. By the way, this computer here, be sure that is good. It is not easy. You have to take the whole intake manifold, because in this area here, where the air, intake manifold air coming through to the engine, and it pass through here, it cool down the engine computer. So the engine computer is sitting, this part is exposed inside the intake manifold, fresh air coming to the engine, and cool it down from here, which is good. This one is the X-Proc. Hexaproc extension, power, ground, power, and all the extension. They replace it with this one. See, this one also, it could be almost the same. I cut it and I make a couple of wires, and this one here, it can go with this, almost the same idea, but for auto hex. So if you have one like this, or at least the wires, you can connect. Or one like this working, you just disconnect, put it here, and you have the other one ready. Read write, you don't need to disconnect this. You see here now, I already have this one. So I would say junkyard, shift, let me write it down. I have one hand here. This is the one from the car. From the other one, I will save it, the donor. Now we're gonna go to backup. Click here, backup. No. It's supposed to open, oh no, this is not good. I'm gonna stop this. I stop it, write down restore, not backup. Now here, this one here, junkyard. What about this? Original. I click this, I open it. Now it's gonna work. I am writing the information back here. Your ground is here. This is how it is, wiring. I don't know what machine, you see I'm erasing everything and write it back. I don't know what tool you use, but at the end, they all coming. This is the machine that control the tools. Whether you have auto hex, whether you have 608, whether you have VVDI, they all at the end, they're dealing with this particular car. And as I told you, it is for 535i, X drive 3.5, X drive 3.5i, 8A, 6A, look here. Those are the cars that it can work. I'm writing down the erasing and writing down the, like restore, right flash, right B flash, which is P flash here. And then restore is we take care of everything. So please stay with us, and thank you for your support. Okay, you see here, it's complete. It's returned complete, everything is good, and that's it. I want to stop it, take the one connector. You know about this car, the original computer is not driving the relay, the power relay on the right side corner of the car. Disconnect your power. This one is done, and we are good to go now. We don't have no problem. Before we have a code for, in the first computer, we have a code for for injector relay driver, which is being driven by that module. Right now everything looks okay. I'm gonna close this one, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. The next thing, we're gonna put it back and start the car, test it. Thank you.